Ever wondered what validation really means in the world of ISO 9001? Stick around because I'm about to break it down, all the way from IQ, OK, PQ to PPAP, APQP, FAT, and SAT. Let's start simple. Validation is all about making sure your process or product does what it's supposed to, consistently, and to the highest standard. ISO 9001 says you need to prove it, not just say it. That's where verification and validation come in. Verification checks. Did I build this right? Validation asks, did I build the right thing? Now let's get technical. IQ, OK, and PQ are your three musketeers in validation, mostly for equipment and systems. IQ, Installation Qualification, proves you set things up correctly. OQ, Operational Qualification, checks if your system works as intended. PQ, Performance Qualification, shows it performs reliably in real-life conditions. But what about when you're building parts for cars or planes? That's where PPAP and APQP step in. PPAP, Production Part Approval Process, documents that your parts meet all requirements. APQP, Advanced Product Quality Planning, makes sure you plan for quality right from the start. And don't forget the big tests, FAT and SAT. FAT, or Factory Acceptance Testing, is done at your site before shipping. SAT, Site Acceptance Testing, happens at the customer's site, making sure everything's perfect where it's actually used. So whether you're on the shop floor or in the quality office, validation is your proof of excellence. Master these tools and you're not just ticking ISO boxes, you're building trust, reliability, and a reputation for quality.